Jira Service Management Tutorial for Beginners Full Guide. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Jira Service Management. You can unlock high-velocity teams with AI-powered service management, and you can end bad service management for good, whether you're in IT, engineering, employee support, IT operations, or HR service. So let's jump right in. You guys can see that with Jira Service Management, you are able to use the power of AI to utilize and create high-performing teams. You can accelerate dev and ops, and you can just take a look at the metrics yourself. Jira management actually scales with you. So instead of just having a stagnating platform, Jira Service Management improves as your business grows. And the best part is that Jira Service Management starts for free. We're going to be discussing pricing later on in more detail. So let's jump right into actually using service management. Click on Get It for Free on the top right to get started for free. Once you do that, you can proceed with your sign up. So for this, you are going to click on Next. And then you're going to either continue with Google, Microsoft, Apple, Slack, or you can just use your email address. This just comes down to personal preference on how you want to sign up. You ideally want to use your business email for this. And once you do, you're just going to proceed and then click on Agree and Start Now. Now, once we've done that, we're just going to proceed with our Atlassian account because we have previously signed up for other Jira products. So from here, I'm just going to proceed and we're just going to click on close. And just like so, we're going to accept all. And over here, we can switch between different sites or applications and you will see any of the other Jira products that you do have. So first off, you have Jira Home, you have Teams, Jira Service Management, and you're just going to proceed with Service Management over here. Now we're just going to proceed on to Jira Service Management. Now I'm just logging on with our administrative account onto Jira Service Management. And first off, you're going to select a service to create. So this will be based upon, your first project, or your first project is going to be based upon this. Now you have several different options. You have IT support, IT operations, customer service, HR, facilities, product requests, legal, marketing, sales, analytics, finance, design, and more. We're going to use HR support and then click on Get Started. And now Jira Service Management is going to set up our dashboard accordingly based upon our first selection, or our first project is going to be based upon this. So now we're just going to proceed and wait a couple of seconds for Jira to create our dashboard. And right now our Jira Service Management dashboard has been loaded up, so now we can just proceed. Now on top you can just click on Jira and then you can explore some of your other Jira apps. Now we're going to go into Jira Service Management to log on, and you will see on the left you can browse between different plans, projects, recent. You guys can see we have people support, we have panels, and our projects are created accordingly. So this is a navigation designed for efficiency, and we have our sidebar. Everything is set, so we're just going to click on Done over here. Now in this, first off, you guys can see in our recent we have people support and panels. Now this was created according to HR, and within this you can see I have panels, and within panels I have a timeline view, I have calendar views, list, forms, all work, archived work items, and more. Below that, we have a general roadmap that can help us in getting started as well, including our Kanban views. So within this is product discovery if you do want to add that. Below that, you have assets that you can try out as well as goals that you can set. And you have filters, dashboards, and operations. Now within this, you have an overview of your operations. You can enable Jira integrations and add that over here as well. Now from here, we can go on ahead and proceed with customizing our panel and customizing our Jira service. So we have queues, we have knowledge bases, customers, channels, as well as raising requests and more. Now this is just a template for HR. So people support, obviously this is within service management. And then we can proceed with creating work items like so, select our project like so, work type, let's say this is HR inquiry, leave policy inquiry, and then the person, the summary, as well as detail of this, and then click on create. What time would you be leaving for? you're going to add that. Just like so, people can put in their request types, and then from here, it can be assigned to me, like so. And then I can proceed and I can link to any work items. I can click on approve and I can click on transition to transition this as well. This allows you to easily handle HR queues in a really quick and easy manner. Then below that, you will even see views. So you will have a view for the tasks that are in progress and a calendar view. Then you even can build your own knowledge bases for HR personnel, and then reports for you to see your own internal or external functioning, including your workloads, satisfactions, requests deflected, request resolved, as well as average time spent on each individual request. This ensures that your entire HR system can be a very quick and efficient portal for everyone that is within your company and for your company to run very efficiently. Now, this is just one example of service management. You definitely can explore some of the other templates, and you can proceed with one of the other templates if you prefer. Now, Jira gives you all of this at a very decent price, so it's free forever for 3 agents, and this includes templates, alerts, on-call schedules, incident templates, multi-channel support, embedded knowledge bases, work intake forms. Then you have the standard plan, which allows you to get started at $19.04. This is on monthly billing. You can save 17% if you go for annual billing. Now, this has a custom branded help center, unlimited email notifications, audit logs, and multi-region data residency. You can add up to 20 agents and unlimited customers, and you have 6.5 regional support. After that, you have the premium version at $47.82. You have Rovo agents and search and chat that is AI powered for service and operations. You also have virtual service agents, asset and configuration management, advanced incident and problem management, as well as change management, deployment gating, advanced alert integrations, real-time incident monitoring, and 24/7 support for critical issues. So all of these amazing tools are available on Jira for a pretty decent price. And Jira is so simple to get started with, and you can not only just work on one Jira tool, but if you want, you can proceed with some of the other tools, including Trello, Bitbucket, and many other Jira tools. So all you need is one account and you can get started planning for the day. You will be able to view your dashboard and try out multiple different Jira tools, and you're able to simplify your work with Jira. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.